Hi guys, so this video is a Muji food haul video and I'm taking it in this angle because the cat is right there. Okay, she has moved. Anyway, I have like an eye infection today, so I won't be filming a lot with my face, but I'll show you all the delicious Muji food that I have here today with me. And the first thing that I'm going to try is this light meal adductor and seaweed rice porridge, and it's 11 ringgit and 90 cents. So basically I have to pour hot water, stir it, and it becomes like a porridge kind of thing. I have my little bowl thing here and I have the hot water and also ice water for me. I really don't know why this is 11 ringgit and 90 cents. It's very overpriced, but I guess it's just like the brand. It looks very funny. Smells like seaweed. Looks like this. So weird. Okay, let me just put this aside. This is the porridge. Oh. Let me just bring you closer so you can see. It's a very funny looking porridge. Stir lightly for 1 minute to complete. Okay. It's been about 1 minute now and I'm going to have my first taste of this. It's not bad, but it doesn't taste like actual porridge, but it's not bad. If there was a zombie apocalypse, I would get this. But for normal meals, it's not worth the 11 ringgit plus because you could get more delicious things for 11 ringgit outside. Not bad. Better. It's actually better than what I expected it to be. I guess if you're going like camping, you could bring this, but it's so expensive. But it's very light, and yeah, if you were to go camping like or hiking somewhere, then this would be very convenient, I guess. Demolished it. Okay, let's try another thing. So this is their sour kneading plum and it's 7 ringgit and 90 cents. I love like sour kind of food, so this one instantly attracted me in the shop. Let me open it. Looks like this. Tastes like hamoy or samboy. I like it. This is my treat. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, for this too, I will try it for lunch later. So just watch towards the end of this video if you want to see me make their red pasta and their matcha, instant matcha latte. For now, I have 3 more. I guess I can try the yogurt marshmallow first. Yogurt marshmallow. This is 14 ringgit and 90 cents. Very expensive and premium price marshmallows. This is the marshmallow. I don't know if there's yogurt inside or if it's made wholly of yogurt. There's something inside. This tastes very nice. I like it. Very nice. Is it worth 14 ringgit? No. I think it's better to be, I think it's I would pay 7 ringgit for this, not 14 ringgit, but it's still good. I'll try this now. This is soybean rice jelly pancakes, and it's 10 ringgit and 90 cents, and they also had a 10% off offer because this thing will expire in April. So it almost expires, but they only give 10% discount. Why not just give like 50% discount? I'm wondering why. I think I should just remove this first. What is the smell? Oh. Okay, it comes individually packed and looks like this. I'll just open it up quickly. It's a very funny smell. This is what it looks like, and there's like something inside. Soybean? I don't know. Red bean? There's nothing special about this. It's really soft. And I'm not sure what soybean this is. I guess it's red bean paste, it says. I would drink this with coffee or tea. It's okay, but I wouldn't buy it again. It's 10 ringgit. I could get this for, I don't know, like 3 ringgit somewhere else. Done. Okay guys, keep on watching if you want to see me make the pasta, matcha latte, and also chocolate covered strawberries. Hello, are you watching me cook? Yes? Hi. Okay, so for lunch today I'm going to make this what pasta sauce pepperoncino thing, and I'm also going to add bacon to it just because I feel like it. There are actually 4 packs here, which is equivalent to 2 servings, but I'm just going to use 1 serving. I cannot believe this is 15 ringgit and 90 cents. Okay, so I'm just going to keep this and use this. Now, I'm going to cut up the bacon first. I'm gonna put this in a container because I'm just going to use like half. Huh? What's that? We're just going to use this much today. Just a wee bit. to add this in. I'm going to turn off the timer. Oh. So I can oil. It smells really good, but smells very instant tea. The great thing about chopsticks. Okay, looks good so far. Next, I'm going to add the second one with the dried stuff. It's very green. This is what it looks like. I think I'll mix it up later when I'm eating. I'll make the latte first. Hold on, be patient. So this is what I'm going to use. Muji instant matcha latte. It's just powder. Can't really see it. I think it's clearer here. Okay. Smells very matcha. Okay guys, so this is the pasta. It looks so delicious. Simple but delicious. I'm going to try it. Okay, so I think this is a better angle. Let's have our first try. It's very buttery soft. It's a good idea to add the bacon. Wow, I like this a lot. Would buy this again. But I wonder how to make this without buying. Because it's just so pillowy soft. I mean, look at this. Wow. The matcha latte is also it's good. Really so good, so nice. Okay, I'm going to clear this first. Okay, so the pasta was very delicious. I loved it so much. I still have one serving left, and I'm thinking of making it again this evening. Anyway, so the last one to try is this Muji chocolate coated strawberries, and I'm wondering if it's just real strawberries inside or if it's like dehydrated strawberries. I don't know. I haven't seen any review for this. It's 16 ringgit and 90 cents for this, which is quite expensive considering the amount of chocolate strawberries that you get. It's like a normal chocolate. First taste. So it's dehydrated strawberries inside, and I'm not a big fan of this. The strawberry is crunchy. So this is what it looks like. Oh, was the latte. So it's a nice snack, but I wouldn't buy this again. Alright guys, that's about it for my Muji haul food haul review kind of thing. The best thing was the pasta. That was hands down like the one that I enjoyed the most. It's so delicious. The second thing that I liked was the porridge thing. It's expensive, but it would be great to bring for like hiking, or like if you are going in the jungle or something, because it's really light even though it's expensive. I like this matcha latte. It was really good. I also like the sour plum like snack or candy thing. That was really nice. I finished it already. I also like the yogurt marshmallow. The only two things that I didn't like was this chocolate covered strawberries. I think the price is just no for the taste, for everything. You know, I wouldn't finish this in one go. Also the soybean pancake thing, I didn't really like that. Anyway, if you want to see a part 2, there's still a lot of Muji foods that I can try. I just wanted to do something different from my usual Family Mart videos, so this is just like an experiment for me. All the foods are very expensive over there, so you cannot really justify buying like 14 ringgit marshmallows or 11 ringgit porridge that's just like this small. But if you just want to try, I guess the pasta is the best one. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Bye!